Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to download and install Dragon Ball GEKISHIN SQUADRA on Steam so you can start playing right away. Let's get into it. Launch the Steam client on your PC. In the top right corner, click on the search bar and type Dragon Ball GEKISHIN SQUADRA. From the results, click on Dragon Ball GEKISHIN SQUADRA. On the Games page, click on Play Game or Install. Select the drive where you want the game to be installed. Press Install. Accept the terms and conditions. Steam will now begin downloading and installing the game. Just wait until the process is complete. Once installed, go back to your Steam library. Locate Dragon Ball GEKISHIN SQUADRA in your games list. Click on it and press play. If a confirmation window appears, click yes. That's it. The game will now launch, and you're ready to start playing. And that's how you download and install Dragon Ball GEKISHIN SQUADRA on Steam. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions.